Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a bird. So let's start. The materials are scissors, colored papers, googly eyes, and glue. First, get a strip of colored paper and fold it about 1 inch. Now let's cut it. Let's cut this strip about right here. Let's roll it and glue it together. Let's fold another strip, still about 1 inch. Now let's cut this. Glue the tip about 1 cm in thickness. Now put the other tip on it. Let's glue the head. Now let's attach the body to the head. Let's attach the googly eyes. Now let's fold this 1 1/4 inches. Let's cut it. Now let's make a tail. First, cut it here. Fold it in half, lengthwise. Now let's cut it into the shape of a tail. Let's put some glue here. Attach it here. Now fold a strip of paper about 1 1/4 cm and cut right here. Now let's make some wings. Let's cut it. Let's glue the wings in. Now it's time to make a beak. First, cut out a small strip and fold it in half. Cut a triangle pattern right here. Make sure this folded area is not cut. Let's glue the beak onto the face. Now let's make the feet. First, fold this about 1 cm, then cut it. Now let's make something like this. Let's cut this. Now fold it here and fold it here. This is where you attach it. Let's glue it. Well, thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye!